This is the noise of a siren before dynamite. This is Mediro, one of the many atolls in Marshall Island. My name is Loney Karmel Jr., and I am a resident in Mediro, Marshall Island. Where is Mediro, Marshall Island? It is located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. It is in between Hawaii and Guam. Marshall Islands consist of 29 atolls and 5 islands. Mediro is 3.749 square miles long. In 2011, it was home to 27,797 Marshallese citizens. Even in this beautiful country, it is impacted by coastal constructions. Areas like Demontown are being developed into an Olympic field to attract tourists in order to host Olympic Games. It'll generate revenues for the Marshallese community. But at what cost? With the continuing of development, it has completely covered an entire bay. Ecosystems such as coral reefs are being disfigured with construction workers digging into the foundations of the corals. Continuing with construction could reduce light visibility, causing coral reefs to slowly perish. As a result of human activities, mankind has destroyed over 50% of coral reefs all around the world. With the limited landmass that Mediro has, we should conserve our coastal areas by being more proactive in protecting our coast. Coral reefs protect our coast by subduing coastal erosion, by reducing wave energy that is attacking our shores. It is shelter for many different organisms such as crabs, clams, starfish, squids, lobsters, seahorses, and many different fishes. Reefs are food sources for many different species from humans to aquatic animals. They also attract tourists from all around. These reefs could be used for recreational purposes, for example, snorkeling. 95% of Southeast Asia are threatened. Indonesia has the largest area that are threatened, and 75% of Atlantic coral reefs are. Over the past 30 years, scientists have came up with 20,000 medicines extracted from aquatic creatures. Medicines such as Brizostatin, extracted from bryozoan, which is a potential treatment for leukemia. This is the land of which our forefathers have colonized, and we must do everything possible to maintain a natural order. So let's go out there and make a difference.